Hey gang, this is Adam with The Highest Return. Find me on the Highest Return group on Facebook. Today I'd like to talk to you about something that happened to me a few days ago that I don't want anybody to experience, and it's not the end of the world for me, but I want to talk about it anyways. So my credit score, which was over 800 at one point, has dropped down to 690, and I think it's a combination of a few factors, but the biggest factor was that one of the banks that I have a credit card with closed my credit card. And this was the credit card that I'd been using since I was in high school. So by far, it's the oldest line of credit, and it ended up reducing my average age of credit. So that was the biggest thing that changed my credit score. And it dropped around 100 points. So if you have an old credit card that is by far your oldest one, and if you had one credit card when you were in high school, for example, and you didn't get another one for 5 or 6 or maybe more years, I suggest doing some token transactions on it. Maybe set up an automatic, few dollar payment from some service that you have, and just set up auto pay. That way you don't have to worry about your bank closing your credit card, because that really can impact your credit score. Now, what am I going to do? I'm not too worried. Worst case scenario, I can hold off for a little bit before buying another investment property. On the other hand, I could also potentially have my wife buy things because her credit score is now better than mine. But cash-wise and investment-wise, things are doing well. So I'm not super worried, but it is something that you should be aware of to basically avoid the same fate as me, where my oldest credit card suddenly gets canceled.